Very good morning. How are you all? Hope all of you are good and safe at home. So, student, in the last part of the video, we revised our sixth chapter, and I have given you the introduction about food and health. And I ask you a question that why we should include a variety of food item in our meal. Okay, you know why? There are various nutrients provided by different food item, and they are important for us. Okay, so let's start with your different nutrients. Okay, which included into the food. Your different nutrients are protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Sorry, vitamins and minerals, and it also contains raw fish and water. So first of all, let's learn about your carbohydrates. Okay. So let's start with your carbohydrates. So here you can see there are the food which is rich. These are the food which are rich in carbohydrate. Okay, what the food contain? Food contain various type of nutrients. Okay. Uh, so here your carbohydrate which provide energy to our body to work. What the carbohydrate give us? It is a energy giving food. Okay, energy giving nutrient. It provide energy. Carbohydrates means energy to work, to play, to walk, to study, and so on. Okay, there are people like who do more physical work, like our labor a sports person, growing children. They need plenty of carbohydrate. Okay, if but you don't have to eat in excess. If eaten in excess, carbohydrate are stored in our body in the form of fat. Carbohydrate are found in the food item in two form. One is your sugar form and second one is your starch form, like your bananas, grapes, and mangoes. These are the rich sources of sugar. Your wheat, corn, and potatoes are the rich sources of starch. So what your carbohydrate contain? Okay, carbohydrate are found in the food item in two form. First one is your sugar, second is your starch. Okay, and your fruit like your bananas, grapes, and mangoes are rich source of sugar, where your wheat, corn, and potatoes are the rich source of starch. So what the carbohydrate is? Carbohydrate give us energy. Okay, it is a energy giving nutrient, and if we take it in excess, then what happened to us? It's stored in our body in the form of fat, and it also lead to many diseases like your obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. So we should avoid eating fat that has too much oil and water. Okay, so that is your first nutrient. Remember, carbohydrate means energy, so it is a energy giving nutrient. And what type of people need it in proper quantity? Which do physical work. Okay, which do a lot of physical work, and also your growing children's. Now come to next is your fat. Next nutrient is your fat. Fat is present in your ghee. Okay, in your butter. Okay, fat also give us energy. Okay, it help in keeping our body warm. How it help us? It keep our body warm. Okay, but it should not consume too much. Okay, has it lead to a condition in our body? That condition is called obesity. Okay, obese people have, and those people who have the problem of obesity, they have high chances of blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease. Your walnut, peanut, soybean, ghee, cheese, butter, nuts, and oil such as fish oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, and olive oil are rich sources of your fat. Okay, so that is the food which is rich in fat. So that's about fat. We should not take the fat or carbohydrate in excess amount. Okay, it's not good for our health. Okay, now come to next, that is your vitamins and minerals. These vitamins and minerals are known as protective nutrients. Okay, your fat and carbohydrates are the energy giving nutrients, and your vitamins and minerals are protective nutrients. Okay, what means protective means they help us to fight against diseases. Okay, and they are needed in small quantity by the body. Our body needs vitamins for its proper functioning. Your minerals are needed for the minerals are needed for the formation of bones, teeth, blood in our body. Okay, your minerals example are calcium. Calcium is good for our health. It is good for our teeth. Okay, and from which food item give us calcium? Your milk. Right, milk. Your potassium, your sodium is present in the salt, right? Iodine, and iron. Okay, your fresh fruits, leafy vegetables, milk, meat and fish are the rich source of vitamins and minerals. Okay, now let's learn about some minerals and their function. So here is a first one is your calcium, which makes our bones and teeth strong. You can get it from milk, cheese, beans and pulses. Okay, your green leaf vegetables like your methi, mint. Your iron, which help in the formation of food. We get it from spinach, curry leaves, coriander and meat. Your potassium, which maintain fluid balance in our body and help in the functioning of muscles. Okay, that you get from potato, yogurt, mushrooms. Okay, now come to your vitamins. Vitamins are of vitamin A, B, C, D, E, K. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, K. So vitamin A, which maintain healthy eyesight. Okay, what does your vitamin do? It help us in maintaining healthy eyesight. Okay, we get the vitamin A from milk, carrot, green leafy vegetables and cod liver oil. Vitamin B, which promote many vital function in the body such as a healthy skin and nervous system. Okay, we get it from milk, egg, meat, green leafy vegetables. Vitamin C, which keep the immune system healthy. Okay, we get it from the citrus fruit, berries, capsicum, broccoli, cabbage. Vitamin D, which required for healthy bones like your milk, cheese, egg and fish. Vitamin E, essential for general fitness and good skin. And we get it from green leafy vegetable. Vitamin K help in clotting of blood, and we get it from green leafy vegetables. So kids, you have to remember this table. Okay, you have to know about that which vitamin has which function. Okay, so your vitamin A necessary for your eyesight. Okay, vitamin B for healthy skin and nervous system. Vitamin C to keep the immune system healthy. Okay, vitamin D for the bones. Vitamin E for good fitness and good skin. Vitamin K help in clotting of blood. So that's all about your some minerals and their function, some vitamins and their function. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.